Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term snatched. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, snatched is slang for looking perfect, fashionable, or flawless. People use it when someone's style or appearance is on point and impressive. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Snatched first showed up in the 2010s through social media and drag culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and fashion enthusiasts. Now let's check out how to use snatched in a sentence. Correct example 1. Her outfit was snatched for the party, turning heads all night. Correct example 2. Your makeup today is totally snatched. You look amazing. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said snatched at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using snatched right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Snatched means looking perfect, fashionable, or flawless. It started in the 2010s through social media and drag culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with snatched in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.